Hello.
Hey.
Yes.
Yes.
Everyone, I need you to mute yourself. I'm gonna call
Okay.
your case. Ms. Ulmer, you have to take that up, I think that's a fine, and you need to take that off your head, ma'am.
Oh, I'm at work. Oh, God.
Okay, so I'm gonna do Ms. Russell. I need you to turn on your camera. You gotta put on a shirt, Ms. Russell. I'll call you back. Put on a shirt. You can't wear that. Ms. Redmond, I'll call your case. Turn on your video. When I call your case, I'm gonna let the attorney state their name first, and then you can say your name. Ms. Redmond, are you ready? Because otherwise, I'll call something else. She not responding, so I'll call something else. This is the People versus Simone Russell. Ticket number P1228505, count 1 improper plate. Ticket number P1298211, count 1, drive unregistered or untitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name to the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman. Excuse me. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name for the record. You're on mute.
Narisha Ramey.
No, not you, ma'am. Miss Simone.
Russell, unmute yourself, ma'am.
Bottom left.
Can you hear me?
Yes. Your name,
Okay,
please.
Simone Roussel.
Thank you. Judge, the defendant presents today with valid and compliant documents. I have forwarded those to Ms. Horn and received her approval to attest to them today as a member, as the officer of the court, and ask that the instant cases be dismissed without prejudice. Thank you.
Do you stipulate the probable cause?
So stipulated. Thank you.
Matters are dismissed without prejudice. You're all set. Good luck to you, Ms. Russell.
Thank you very much. Okay, hang up. How you hang it? I can hang up now?
Yes.
Yes,
Okay.
This is the People versus Derek Robinson.
No.
I'm sorry. Let me do another one. I'm sorry. This is the People versus Anita Ulmer. Ticket number SP1071606. Count 3 improper plates. Good morning. Please say your name to the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, state your name for the record.
Anita Ulmer.
Thank you and good morning. Your Honor, the defendant is continuing a not guilty plea to an arraignment. So we're going to ask the not guilty plea be entered. And we're asking for a pretrial. She's just going to come back in compliance.
You don't want to set it for a bench trial?
I don't think it would be necessary, Your Honor. I would be pleased to notify the officers, but she would have had the documents today. And she does have possession of the documents. Just she won't be able to present them to the next date.
We'll come back on November 10th at 8:35.
Thank you kindly, Your Honor.
You're all set, Ms. Ulmer.
Okay, November 10th, I just come under the same judge, everything again?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
Good day.
This is the People versus Derek Robinson. Ticket number P1213551, count 1. Allowing unlicensed driver to drive. Good morning. Please say your name for the record.
Your Honor, Harry Hoffman, P55052 on behalf of the defendant. Mr. Robinson, your full name, please.
Good morning. My name is Derek Robinson Jr.
There was a little glitch. Would you repeat that?
Good morning. My name is Derek Robinson Jr.
Thank you kindly, Mr. Robinson. Judge, we do need a trial date on this one. This is an arraignment. We ask the court enter a not guilty plea and set this for a waiver trial by Zoom, please.
Raise your right hand, Mr. Robinson. You swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
I do.
You put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
I do.
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything about you to waive your right to a jury trial?
I do.
Has it threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything to waive your right to a jury trial?
No.
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
Yes.
The court's going to continue your not guilty plea, set it for a bench trial for December 12th at 9 o'clock. You're all set.
Okay. Thank you.
Do you have any questions?
Will I get a notice in the mail about it?
This is your notice, sir.
December the 12th at 9, you said?
December the 12th at 9 o'clock.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. This is People versus Brianna Rogers, ticket number P115609A, count 1 improper plates, count 2 drive and register or entitled vehicle, count 3 failed to display a valid operator's license on a person. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Good morning. My name is Brianna Rogers.
Thank you, Ms. Rogers. Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Boffin for the defendant. She has presented this morning compliance documents. I have forwarded those to Corporation Counsel and received what I believe to be a stipulation to dismiss the instant cases. In exchange for that, I would stipulate to probable cause. Thank you.
Prejudice, you are all set, Ms. Rogers. Good luck to you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
This is the People versus Christopher Rogers, ticket number P11800042, count 1 drive and register or entitled vehicle, count 3 no insurance misdemeanor. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Harry Boffin for the defendant. Sir, state your full name.
Christopher Rogers.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Rogers has sent to my attention compliance documents, to wit, his registration and insurance. They are current and valid. I'm attesting to them here as an officer of the court. I've sent those to Corporation Counsel and would stipulate to probable cause for any dismissal recommended here. Thank you.
These matters are dismissed without prejudice. You are all set, Mr. Rogers. Good luck to you, sir.
Thank you. Have a good one.
You too.
Have a great day.
This is the People versus Latasha Drake, ticket number P10594041, count 1 drove while license not valid or improper license, count 2 no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number 259781, count 1 no operator's license in possession, count 2 no insurance misdemeanor, ticket number 516202, count 1 no operator's license in possession, count 2 insurance never acquired, and count 3 unregistered motor vehicle. Ticket number 154741154, count 1 no license. Ticket number there's a state matter too that has not been addressed. Ticket number X39924008. Count 1 drove without ops, no ops for 3 years prior to first offense. And count 2, no proof of insurance. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Harry Boffman for the defendant. Ma'am, your full name, please.
Good morning, Latasha Drake.
Your Honor, for arraignment purposes, we're asking that the court enter a not guilty plea on behalf of the defendant. We're asking for a waiver trial date by way of Zoom. I would inform the court the defendant has a January 13th arraignment date at 1:30. I think it would be to the court's advantage as well as the defendants if they could set that for that date so we can wrap everything up at that time.
Is it a 1:30 arraignment, Mr. Baughman?
It is, Your Honor.
Okay, so I called all the tickets. So
Yeah.
what we'll do is move all those tickets to December 2nd.
Thank you kindly, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand straight. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
Yes,
Put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial?
yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
no,
And that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
yes,
The court's going to continue your not guilty plea set for a bench trial for December 2nd at 9 o'clock.
okay.
All right, you're all set. I marked two of them, but I'm gonna put, had to put all of them, like, all of them up first. This is the people versus Lorenzo Robertson, ticket number P128984, count one, drive unregistered or entitled. Count two, no insurance misdemeanor, and count three, tenant windows. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Yeah, please support, Your Honor. Harry Bachman. Go ahead, Mr. Robertson. State your full
Sorry
name,
about
sir.
that. Good morning, Lorenzo Robertson.
Thank you, Mr. Roberson. Harry Bachman for defendant. So set for show cause, the defendant inadvertently missed the last action date. We'd ask the court enter a not guilty plea on his behalf and set the matter for a pretrial. I'm sure that the defendant is going to come back with compliance documents. So we're not asking for a trial date. Thank you.
All right, process for a free trial will come back on November 10th at 8:35. This is the people versus Shaquita Ruff, ticket number P10878825, count one, open alcohol in a motor vehicle passenger. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Shaquita Ruff, good morning.
Morning, Ms. Ruff. Harry Bachman for the defendant. We're asking for a waiver trial date by way of Zoom, Your Honor. There is a genuine and material issue of fact. Thank you.
She said this for a waiver trial last year. It looks like
Really?
she didn't show up. So you gonna make sure you show up this time, Ms. Ruff?
Yes, and no, yes, I promise. But when I
Say
went
less.
down there,
Say
I don't
less.
need an, I don't need an
Yes.
explanation. I'm just saying, this ain't, this is.
Yes.
This is for a bench trial.
yes,
Thank you, Your Honor.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the whole truth and nothing but the truth?
yes, I do.
Put your hand down. You understand you have the right to a jury trial.
Yes,
Has anyone threatened you, forced you, or promised you anything of value to waive your right to a jury trial?
yes,
You understand that by having a bench trial, the court will be the fact finder.
yes.
Court's going to continue your not guilty plea set for a bench trial for December 2nd at 9 o'clock. Do you have any questions?
No, thank you. December 2nd, 9 o'clock, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Am I done?
You're all set.
Okay.
People versus Nyrisha Betty. I'm sorry, Nyrisha Ramey. Ticket number P12575886, count one, driving register or entitled vehicle. Good morning, please say your name for the record.
Nyrisha Ramey.
Good morning, Ms. Ramey. Good morning, Your Honor. Harry Bachman for the defendant. We're asking that this matter, that the court accept a not guilty plea for arraignment purposes. We want a pre-trial, Your Honor, because the defendant is going to come back with the compliance documents. She's got them. She just doesn't have them with her today. Thank you.
You said this for a free trial November 10th
Thank you, Your Honor. Nothing further from the defense. Ms. Ramey, you can have a great day, okay?
Thank you. What was the date on that?
I think it was the 10th, 8:30.
No, okay, thank you.
Is that right? Madam Court Reporter, can we confirm that was the 10th?
Yes.
Thank
The
you.
10th.
Thank you.
Is Redmond available?
I'm available.
Called your case about 20 minutes ago. This is the people versus Emma Redmond, SP 1280389, count 3, no operator's license in possession. Good morning, please say your names for the record.
Good morning, Harry Boffin for the defendant. Ms. Redmond, please state your name for the court.
Emmy Redmond.
So, Your Honor, for arraignment purposes, we'll waive a formal reading and plead not guilty. There is a stipulation to dismiss the instant case for payment of some accompanying civil infractions. I stipulate the probable cause for that recommendation here, Your Honor. Thank you.
All right, with that, and you stipulate to the face of the ticket?
For the purpose, yes.
Okay, so the court will accept the admissions to count for the stipulation to counts 1 and 2. We'll dismiss count 3 without prejudice. We'll proceed to sentencing. There's going to be a fine of $145 plus $195. So the total is $340, Ms. Redmond. Because it's a civil infraction, you have 2 weeks to pay it. Can you have this paid by November 10th?
So it's $340 just for the driving with no proof of it, license.
No, that's not true. I'm sorry to interrupt. It's $340 for the other 2 citations, and when you pay those, because you're paying those, the one that you're here for today, you're driving without a license, will be dismissed here, okay?
Okay. So is it okay to get a payment plan from 36th District Court? Because I'm already on one.
Well, you can only have 14 days to pay
I
because
can pay
there's civil
something today,
infractions.
but I won't be able to.
Okay, here, this is what I'm gonna do.
So I have to pay the
I will
whole
give you-
$340 in 14 days?
Ms. Redmond, just listen. I'll give you till
Yes.
November 28th. I'll give you till November 28th to pay. If you want to get on the payment plan. you need to come down-
$340?
Yes, if you want to get on the payment plan, you
Okay.
need to come down to the court and put at least 25% down and apply for the payment plan. You need to do that before November 28th, and then you'll get additional time to pay it if you're accepted.
Okay. So go to the court and pay 25% down.
You need to apply for it, but in order to apply, you need to put at least 25% down on
Okay.
it, okay? But you need to do that before November 28th.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, if you don't pay this, this will go into default and then will not close out.
Okay.
All right, any questions?
Nothing further
But
from the
there's no
defense.
warrant
Thank
out
you.
for my arrest. It's all taken care of, right?
Say that one more time.
All right. Thank you.
So, it's Dalton here. It's driving my license.